Hi everyone, I am here to show a vintage inspired handmade planner that I think is beautiful. Here is the cover and the back. It's small and compact. It could easily fit into a larger purse or a tote. Inside we have a pocket. You could put all kinds of stuff in the pocket. And we have a page for notes and then a place to put creative ideas or, whatever you want. Here's another pocket. It's actually a double pocket, so you could put smaller things in here that you want to hang on to. But this is the star of the show, is these beautiful coffee dyed crinkly papers. You can start and stop and then start again. Nothing is pre-dated, so this can be any month. And this is an over-the-top kind of a bookmark type of thing. So you can put that where you are in here. But there's 1 month, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 months. And then the middle part, we have more blank pages for, anything you want to write down or remember. So we have several pages in the middle. It's held by, it's a Madeira style. It's held by this piece of fabric, and I will show you why that's important in a minute. But we have several pages where you can write anything. And then here we go with some more months. So this would be 7, right? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we have a full year and then another page to write on. And then we have a coin style envelope that you can put things in that actually, closes. And then in the back here we have another pocket. Isn't this wonderful? I mean, doesn't this make you want to use it? Right? You get out a pretty pen, right? Or have fun with multicolored pens, and you can write in your appointments or your to-do lists or meetings or whatever you have going on. There's plenty of room in these squares to write something, and then here maybe you use these for more information, more details or something like that. Or you could just write things that happened, details of when someone's birthday is or anniversaries or whatever. So I think these are wonderful, and I love that sound, that crinkly sound that you get from coffee dyed paper. I think it's just so much fun. But the reason why I pointed this out is because this is not held in. This is removable. So you have 1 year, which only takes up this much space. And then look at this. Another year. Another year. It's the same thing. A little bit different, but basically the same thing. You've got your months. You've got a pocket. Your middle part here has these wonderful pages with some embellishments on them. And then the back part is the rest of the year and a coin envelope. Oh, and look at this one. Oh, another one. Same thing. You know, this one's got a little extra thing in the middle. Oh my goodness, another one. So, yeah, I mean, it's got some embellishment, some encouragements on here. You could use these for so many things, and they all have these blank pages in the middle that you can write on. I love this coffee dyed paper. I just, and another coin envelope that closes there. So anyway, you have 1, 2, 3, 4 years worth of planners, and nothing is dated, so you can stop and start whenever, or you can keep 4 years excuse me, of continuous planners. Thank you for watching. I think this is awesome. Bye.